Day 4. Another early start, and this time it will be all for hot springs. Time on the road passed by fast. The delicacies I find along the way were always unique, like this melon pan. Views of the countryside looked so beautiful and peaceful wherever we went, ever so distant from the workings and pace of a city. Snow covered the landscapes towards the mountainous terrains of our brief destination. Kusatsu Onsen, a resort town famous for their hot springs over the centuries. At the center of the town is the Yubatake, or hot water field. Here, boiling mineral-rich water from the earth below is first cooled in timber troughs before being distributed throughout the town. Primal warmth generated here can thaw away the chills of winter. The earth was truly alive. A cozy back street nearby offered glimpses of the local artistry and delicacies to warm you on your journey. Spring was welcomed early by the warm streams in the park ahead. While an Inari shrine and Jizo statues blessed the area. Numerous small oddities were also present in the park to see that day. Towards the ends of the trail, a warm, soothing footbath was the reward for weary travelers. With little time left, numerous small snacks were the go-to option as we navigated our way back. I was also granted an amazingly delicious ice cream, initially with unknown origins. Turns out that it came from this shop. Highly recommended for winter. Just before departing, I made one final visit to Kosenji, an ancient Buddhist temple that watches over the town. I can't say that I'm a spiritual person, but it's a connection that I respect and record on my own journey. More of the mountainous countryside, both active and peaceful, could be appreciated as we left towards Nagano. From that short visit, Kusatsu Onsen will be a place to revisit and enjoy its waters more fully. For now though, the waters at our next destination were more than satisfying after today's long trip. You can also challenge yourself in naming the local mountains here. And to finish the evening, humble bento from the farmer's supermarket opposite the hotel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.